business owner, okay? Not the small one.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want.
What it do, my Boujeebratz, and I'm back with another video. I said I'm back. Hold on, I said I'm back. And as y'all can see, we got the inventory, we got the merch, we got everything that we need, you feel me? So we're gonna do the unboxing. YouTube get it first. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and jump on this, you know, on this journey with Nellaabands, you feel me? Because, let me fix that angle real quick, y'all. Okay. Because, yeah, right? So, I need y'all to be able to see. I'm sitting on the floor because it is not gonna be able to fit on the table. So, first thing first, let's get into it. They take this thing up. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah. First thing first. So, let's see. I know my vendor did what they needed to do, because they better not play. Alright. Okay. What is this? Oh, these is the lids. Why did they give me different colors? Why did they give me different colors? Or what is this, y'all? I'm not sure, but we gonna figure it out. Let me come a little bit closer. Let me show y'all what's going on. This. So I'm not sure. These are the boxes. So this is our boxes. Smells good too. Smell real fresh. Oh, we got more. Okay. We have more. Okay. So next we got some stoppers. Some more stoppers. Alright. So we got some stoppers, y'all. Some stoppers. And now to see what we got. Let me get a picture of that. So this is what it's giving. So if you know, these was the tools we had before. They was just clear with this logo. It's not focusing, but we had a different type of logo, y'all. So now we have these tubes with pink topping. Okay, the tops are pink. Let me see if they're showing. That's what it's giving. That's cute. This is what we got, y'all. Let me check it out. Cause I was in here talking. This is what it's looking like. With the new logo. So, if you following me, you will know the new logo. I got 2 new logos. So, I'm gonna put this back in the bag. This is what we got. Let's move that over a little bit. And I bought these bins for my stuff. They was waiting for the merchandise. Oh, you know what? Let me show y'all the rest of the stuff, and then I get back into sorting and everything. Let's see. Oops. Alright, I'm gonna put them inside the bin. Leave them in the bin for now. Just so I know they good and everything. Cause I have to thoroughly check through all of them to make sure that the logo is printed nice, everything is good. Look at all my stuff. This is Boujeebratz. Like, I'm really a business owner. Shop with me. Nah. But yeah. Big business owner, okay? Not the small one. Bought another bin earlier as well. I bought another bin earlier as well. So I also have these, which is the regular clear ones, but with the new logo. And they also say 7 ml. Okay. So these are the clear ones, y'all. Let me show y'all. Hopefully it shows. But this is what it's looking like. Oh, that's a little bit better. It's here. So it got the Boujeebratz. Ooh, there we go. Perfect. It got the Boujeebratz. And don't play with it because the nails even got the Boujeebratz. It's a bougie on this finger and bratz on this one. Don't play with it. Because one thing about me, when I come, I'm coming. And I ain't coming to play. My man over here talking to me, y'all. That is my biggest supporter. He always with me. He might not be in the camera, but he's with me. Yeah, don't mind my flicking, cause he getting your girl content. Like, he is doing what it needs to be done. Taking my pictures and everything. I'm gonna show y'all what he charged me. I'm so excited, y'all. Y'all don't even understand. God is good. I am grateful. Let me take a little pause. If y'all here, I want to say thank y'all for watching me. Thank y'all for supporting me. Support comes in many different ways. whether if you buy something, whether if you share, whether if you like, whether if you comment, whether if you tell a friend. Support comes in many different ways. Whether if you tag me in something for somebody to find me, support comes in many different ways. So if you supported me in any kind of way with genuinely love and, you know, being there for me, I truly appreciate it. I am new to this. I'm still learning things. I'm investing more money into learning, because learning is key. In order for you to keep growing, you got to be able to learn. You're gonna make mistakes, you're gonna fail. And I say it's not just like she don't know what you talk about. I'm talking to y'all like some real shit. Alright, but stay focused. If you want to do something, don't worry about what nobody have to say. Don't worry about nobody input. Don't worry about whether or not people are going to support you, if they're not going to support you. Just stay focused. You guys stay focused on yourself. You guys stay focused on what you want to do, right? And don't just do something because you want to make money off of it. Do something that you like. Do something that you love. Do something that you can help or teach others. Excuse me. Stay focused. Make sure that you plan. Planning is big. Make sure that you stay focused. You know, believe in yourself. Manifest. Pray. Have to pray. Have to believe in God. Have faith. And be willing to change. Change starts with everything. You got to be willing to change in order to accept change and receive new blessings. And another thing is stay consistent. Don't give up, even when the days get hard. But I love y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. We still here, and let's get back to it. Alright. That was your little Boujeebratz girl, from the Nellaabands speech talk real quick to motivate my girls out there, right? I want to do it. That didn't start. I already started. I had stopped, but this time, your baby ain't stopping. We up, okay? We up. But yeah, you know, I had to get my little inspirational, you know, because people be needing that. So we still got more of these. Now, we're gonna put these here. Okay. So, yeah. Are y'all excited? Cause I'm excited. New merch, new inventory, new merch, new inventory, in my kitchen, we be vibing. And you know, outside. Ladies, I know my ladies, when y'all go out, I know y'all be getting dressed up, looking cute. We got the lip liners, we got the lip glosses. Like, don't play with it, all right? And for my smokers out there too, we even got the lip scrubs to bring your lips back to that natural color. Don't play with it. Your girl got it, all right? We got the ebooks too. Make sure y'all go and copy up your ebook. All right, make sure y'all copy your ebook and my bougie plans, because if y'all wanna, you know, start making your plans, start becoming a little bit more organized, getting yourself in order, it's still the beginning of 2024. Baby, change, okay? Change, plan, execute, succeed, get what you want. Booyah! Prayers. Manifest. Yeah, I gotta put them in order for y'all, but yeah, y'all get the point. Alright, y'all. So, last but not least, we got some more tubes. Let me take it out because YouTube see it first. Okay. So this is what it's looking like. So we now have the the silver tops with the logo and a mirror on the back. And mirror on the back. That way you can see yourself. Y'all gonna have to peel off the little plastic. Make sure you peel the plastic off. And with the LED lights. Okay. So that's what it's giving. So perfect. So let me put this back. And we're gonna put these in this one. I bought this bin earlier at Target. So we're gonna put these in. Cause your lips gotta be bougie, all right? If it ain't bougie, what your lips is doing? Now for me, babe. Just looking at. I wanna see your grills. So now, and you go out and you put your lip gloss on. You got the light. You got the light, and you got the mirror to make sure you're not overdoing it. To make sure you look good. And guess what? Boujeebratz got the color changing lip gloss dropping to you soon. Okay, we got some new flavors, we got some new colors, we got the color changing. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. I'm at hype, don't mind me. If you ain't hype, but you, when you get your new inventory, or for my people that's not business owners, you know how you just be excited when you order something that you've been waiting for, and you finally get a chance to open it? You're excited. My stuff been here for probably what? A week? A week now? And I'm just now getting to it. But I had to make sure I improvise and do what I needed to do the right way. I had to make sure I came to YouTube first and not just out here showing everybody. They gotta come to here. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Cause your girl is taking this all the way up. Yeah. I can't wait to listen to music, y'all. That's cute. So I needed another bin. I needed another bin. And we have the black with the mirrors and the tubes. So these are the black ones. Let me get my paper, y'all. Let me get my paper. I'm so far. We got the black. Got the mirror on the other side. And these also have the LED lights as well. So, and these is cute. So I'm gonna have to go and get another bin. And the crazy thing about it is because I literally went to Target today to get one bin because I said I feel like I'm gonna need another one. And guess what? I need another one. Because I just want to stay organized with everything being separate. Even though, yeah, they just the lip gloss tubes, they different colors. And I could be able to keep up my inventory and not have everything cluttered. But right now, what I'm going to do is put the black and silver together. I'm going to put the black and silver together in one bin. And then tomorrow, I'm going to go out and get me another bin. Let me show y'all the lip liners. Because I didn't show y'all this, but social media, Instagram and Facebook, and they are available for pre-orders on the website. So I do have the lip liners. The lip liners have the same logo as well, pink boxes. So this one up right here is called Blush, and this is how it looks. Oh, it looks so much better on here. Y'all could get the perfect color on here. This is exactly what it looks like. Let me get my paper. Where my paper? Let me get a paper. Let me see. So this is what it looks like. This is Blush. It got the logo. It got the logo. You got your top, your lid, your top. This is what it looks like. So this is our lip liner. That one is called Blush. The next one is called Blackout. This is called Blackout. This is your box. The box is upside down, my bad. This is your box. Blackout look like this. So it's black. What that one look like. This one don't look black. Okay. Yeah, this. I don't know why it don't look black on the camera, but it's like a real dark color. This one is called Chocolate Drop. You feel me? Cause I'm brown skin, so you gotta have the chocolate. You gotta have the brown skin. All right. Period. And for my light skin girls out there that y'all wanna do a brown lip liner, your girl got it. You're still bougie. You feel me? So it doesn't matter. All right. This is the Chocolate Drop. And this is what it looks like. Okay, and we got two more. Okay, so which one is this? We did this one. We didn't do this one. So the next one is called Boujee, cause we Boujeebratz. And this one is like this. The color is showing so good on here. This is what it looks like. Oh yeah, I see what all the pencils look like. They pointy. So this is Boujee, cause you gotta have your bougie. All right, make sure you bougie up. You could even be bougie on a budget. Y'all just gotta learn how to be bougie on a budget too. Like, you ain't gotta be spending a whole lot. Just learn how to do it. Do what you like. Do what you enjoy. And that's all that's all that matters. That's what makes you bougie. Because if you do it the right way, do it how you do it, can't nobody tell you nothing. Who gonna tell you what? Oh, alright. Okay, so now, and this is my Pink Panther. This is the Pink Panther. This is what it looks like. So, we got 5 different colors of lip liners. We will have more coming soon. Let me know what y'all think of lip liners once y'all purchase. They are available for pre-purchase right now. I just went and got me some Nellaabands from Family Dollar. So I'm gonna put these I'm gonna put my lip liners in here. Tomorrow I'm gonna organize them. Right now I'm just gonna put everything away so everything is not left. Oh, and then tomorrow we'll be making another video with me. Got these for the boxes. These might not fit. They're gonna fit, but no, they're not. These is not gonna fit. So tomorrow I'm gonna take this bin back and get a different bin. I'm gonna put all the black tubes in here. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Thank y'all for watching me. Thank y'all for taking time out your day. Thank y'all for supporting me. Go to the website, check out the website if you don't mind. www.boujeebratzllc.com. I'm gonna drop it down here. Follow our TikTok at Boujeebratz LLC. Our Instagram at Boujeebratz_LLC. And we will see y'all tomorrow when we do our inventory count. Love y'all. Later.